Hi guys, it is me, Cynthia Herndon, and it is a special double vlog week because I'm snowed in. If you don't believe me, we shall see. So, check this out. Here's my door. I'm gonna open it. What is this? Now, can you see this? Can you see this? There's the floor. There's the snow. There's the dog. There's the dog's butt. She's eating the snow. Guess what, guys? I'm not going to the gym today. Holy crap. That's all I can say. So, did I mention spring has sprung and my giant Darwin tulips were in bloom? Yes, they're right down there in the garden. Can you see them? No, me neither. Alright. Oh, don't even do it, Lizzie.
Hey, there's my scooter.
The dog's not allowed out front. She's only allowed out back. Something tells me she's not going to go too far. Oh, great. Alright guys, have a nice day. Okay, now I got a problem. I can't get the door closed. Oh crap. Seriously, I can't get the door closed. Oh no.
Mother.
Hey, hi guys. Cynthia Herndon here, reporting from South Dakota. I'm not going to the gym today. We're gonna stay home and order a pizza, I think. Okay, no, or maybe a blizzard from Dairy Queen.
That was cold.
Dog loves it. She loves it. Oh dear God. she's making snow angels. Anyway, if you can see that, we're staying home today. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.